welcome to my channel. Today, we will be doing an unboxing of a Ducky mechanical keyboard. Can you tell how excited I am? As a matter of fact, this will be my first Ducky ever. All right, guys. This is it. It's here, and we're gonna get started. Okay, I swear, I can literally I cannot wait for this. Okay, so this is, as I said, my first ever Ducky. I haven't really had anything other than the Logitech, so we're changing my world right now. This is the Ducky 1-2 SF RGB Pure White. And of course, I've got some Cherry MX Brown keys on there, and my heart's racing. Okay. Take out the, oh, baby. Oh gosh, okay. Let's get this puppy out of its, oh. Also got a purple creator sticker. Boom, boom. All right, you guys, now that we've enjoyed the box a little bit, show you kind of the top, nothing much on the back there. Okay, gotta get these guys open here. Some tabbies. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. Ooh. Very nice. I like that they have this on there. Keep it nice and protected. There she is. Okay, let's see what, I see some blue. What color keycaps did I get with this? Since they are randomized. Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh! It's like a pastel blue! Yes! Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Wow. This thing has some freaking weight to it too. What on earth? Oh, nice. You got two different types of stands here. Looks like a smaller one and one a bit bigger. And they have, let me put it nicely on its side here. They've got some rubber on the bottom there to help even protect those. That's so awesome. You definitely are paying for quality here. Okay, so it comes with additional color keys and a randomized space bar. I believe that's in these little guys. And we got, nice, there's our cable. Awesome. I think we found them. Nice, you guys, we found them. And the remover. What did we get? So there is your keycap remover. Oh. Here are the additional keycaps that I got. So we could could be all white if we wanted to. But switch it up. This is such a pretty color. Yay, I'm so glad it's baby blue. Let's go. And last but not least, our space bar. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, look how cool that is. Let's take it out of there. Let's take it out of there. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. You guys see that? I'm so excited, you guys! Well, that is my first ever Ducky. We're gonna get it set up and I'll be back to show you guys the end product. All right, we are hooked up and ready to go. As you can see, I also messed with my keycaps a little bit. Add some color. I might change a few others. Haven't really made up my mind yet, and I'm not gonna know what I'm doing. So, are you guys ready to see this in action? I just wanted to add that to change the colors on here, there are a few different variances, and what you need to do, you press FN, then the Alt key, and then T. Another awesome feature to this keyboard is there is a custom coloring option. So you will do the FN, Alt, and it highlights the Z, X, and C. You can alter these a little bit and mess with them, press whichever color multiple times, and it will change the color that you have on your keyboard. As you can see, I have this pink color that I ended up, it's kind of peachy, looks a little more pink on camera, but I love it, so I'm not gonna really mess with it. But if I wanted to alter it, maybe make it more purple, I'd press C once, see what kind of it changes to, press C a few times, see if it goes darker, maybe add a little Z for the red in there. It's a pretty awesome feature. Alright, that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you are interested in a Ducky of your own, I will leave their website in the description below. Also, if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can catch me on Twitch at MissNikkiFi. Alright guys, until next time, bye!